This YouTube channel, my work as a psychotherapist and the relationships I have generate constant reflection on my own journey, which began in the shadows of a childhood marked by indifference and abuse, physical, emotional and sexual. These are the dark threads that are woven through my early childhood years. The confusion, pain, distrust became the catalyst for my focus to find a route back to the only safe haven I knew, myself. I was fortunate to have music, which was my refuge, my expression, my voice. And as a teenager, every song I wrote was a cry to understand, a way to voice the cruelty I'd endured, and a place where I could feel joy and experience connecting to the true hearts of others caught in the nightmare of circumstance. To hold each other through the songs while we processed the traumas we shared. When I was 18, I was stuck in a reality so alien to my true self, so foreign to every aspect of who I was, that I felt as though every day, every moment was a torture, a slow death. And after some years, deeply unhappy and profoundly disconnected from myself, I finally found the strength to break free. But it cost me everything. With nothing more than the clothes on my back, I set out on a journey of healing that still continues to this day. My life's work has been dedicated to helping others break free from false realities, offering another way of understanding your journey, an opportunity to reclaim your life, to take that step towards reclaiming what is rightfully yours, to develop the strength and support to live the life that is truly yours, a life you own and can find joy and happiness in. If my words resonate with you, let's start a conversation, a journey together. I want to share with you the liberating power of processing trauma, of reclaiming a life where you are the author. If you're looking for a companion on this journey of self-discovery and healing, subscribe and join this channel and what I hope will grow into a community. I'll be posting a range of videos on a regular basis, so please subscribe to get notified of new content. I'm always looking for people who would be perhaps happy to share their journeys and experiences. So get in touch with me if you'd like to take part in, say, an interview or just to tell your story. I've been a psychotherapist for over 35 years and a human being for over 60, and I'm here to accompany you, and together we'll explore the depths of authentic living and find partnership in shared experiences.